Welcome viewers, welcome to episode number 27 of Nilesh Coins TV. In this episode, we will see a very interesting coin which has mentions in Mahabharata as well as Panini's Ganapata as well as many ancient literary sources. It's the coin of Adumbras. Adumbar, basically, if we read that without uh, diacritical marks, then it is Adumbara. If we read with diacritical marks, it is Adumbar. Now, this is a coin of Adumbar, a copper coin of Adumbar, and normally it is found in the Kangra region of Himachal Pradesh. Now, what you see here is a square coin, and you have on the obverse a spire temple. As you can see, the spires of the temple, it's a Shiva temple, and you see there is a trident here with a battle axe attached to it. And on the reverse, you have elephant head, tree in railing, okay, tree in railing here, elephant head here, and Kharosti legend, which is, I think this coin was issued around 3rd to 4th century BCE, and historians date it around 2nd century BCE. But this is quite debatable, as let me show you I have drawn this. This is what we have on the obverse of the coin, that there is a temple on the obverse, and you have legend in Brahmi, Adumbri Sa, or on the top you have the king's name, and then you have a battle axe attached to a trident, and on the reverse you have this elephant head and snake below, okay, and there is a tree in railing, okay, and the legend is in Kharosti. So it is a bilingual coin. As from the given specs of the coin, we can say this coin is of Rudra Dasha, okay, the king Rudra Dasha. So these coins are very rare. Recently one hoard was found, so that makes it little bit affordable and available in the market. But these coins are extremely rare. Only few extant examples are there. Not in this Adumbra coins are not there in the National Museum, New Delhi also. So quite interesting coin indeed for collectors, for persons who would like to know a coin from Mahabharata period. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.